What's up, guys? So today I'm basically washing my fidgets, if you can hear that. But anyways, I was gonna tell y'all we were doing an update yesterday. If you haven't seen my video, so you can. I'm gonna show you it after. So so see, I got snow on these fidgets, and I don't want them to like grow up and and I don't want to, and I don't want to go back out there to like get her just a paper towel because my hands are cold too. I just asked my mom if I'd wash the fidgets, and she said yes. I never washed this fidget before. Oh, that's cool. Let's just plop all the fidgets in there. I don't know why I have them like in the walls. What's that? Just fidgets. So, also, if you haven't seen this fidget, it was because I traded it for like something else. And you probably saw this fidget. Probably this. You probably saw this one. I had surgery. This one is my least favorite. Look. Just look. If I had like a little string, but it pops back up. Here, I'll pop them all down. And I'll show you if I can. See?
Mom! Abby, find this for me. It's Sissy then.
It pops by itself, but it's just so satisfying. Look. Throw in the hard pop. Next we got my favorite fidget. After I put them on the bathtub, I'll show you something. Oh, this is my actual favorite. This is my second favorite. So, okay, so I was gonna show you. Now that I do all the fidgets in there.
Y'all clear the stairs off. Anything that belongs to you.
Hold on, Mom. Come on, I'm gonna show them the snow.
Nothing.
My YouTubers. See, that's the snow. And there's also some on the porch. Like it's freezing. Why is it popping? Can y'all guys hear that? Mama, why on the porch like that it's popping? Like I hear pop noises. From snow melting, but that does sound satisfying. So next we got 5-minute pop story. Oh, I used to like it, but I hate it. Hate Peppa Pig. It's on the stairs because my mom was trying to do something with it. But anyways, let's go back to the fidgets. So maybe I want to add soap. Should I add soap? Yeah, I am. Let's just hope it don't fall. There, we got that. And there we go. Got that back. And now let's just mix it around. Okay. say my favorite fidget out in the snow was my first favorite one. Let's get all the soap out of the way so y'all can see. My favorite fidget in the snow was, I was just like molding it in the snow, and that was my first favorite fidget. The second was this one. I brought out a little bit more fidgets after. Yeah. But anyways, I feel like this one was my least favorite. There's like 3 of them. Oh, actually 5 of them. First we got a octopus one. It didn't even mold. Wouldn't even see this one. I know, cause like, would it even work? Please think about it. Nah, this one wouldn't even mold. This one, it kind of molded, but it kept on getting it out of place. And this one, actually I like this one. Actually I didn't, because like, it was just stable, like it hurt my fingers. Now, these fidgets, like, this one, it took me a while to figure it out. I kind of finally got it. Also, guys, for Christmas, my hands are slippery. Okay, for Christmas we got, I got a makeup table. Yes, makeup, nail polish. That was in the stocking. This one, my mom gave to me because she never uses it. I also got a Tamagotchi, but it's asleep right now. It's taking a nap. I'm just kidding. No. My Tamagotchi is 6 years old. It did die once, though. That made me sad. Like, I was heartbroken whenever it died. But anyways, let me just pop in the fidgets and board. Okay, I think they're done. Let's first get out all the fidgets. Lay them out real quick. They got soap all over. So we're gonna take our sink and just rinse them off. And just the monkey noodles. I'm on accident, so I get outside and it was already dirty because monkey noodles pick up dirt, but I just do it in there with it today. I didn't touch the soap, but I did bring that. So now we just have to I got water on my camera. Come on. Okay, you can kind of see. Looks like we're underwater. Oh, we got it. Yes, we got it. Now, let's fix this. Next, we just wash off the fidgets. You can get like a hand towel. I don't know why this is. Lay out the hand towel. Once you rinse off the fidgets. Some fidget where I'm going to put it. My favorite fidget though. It's easy to rinse off too. Okay, and let's rinse off these fidgets. Got the mini fidget. We got my other mini fidget. We got the miniature monkey noodle fidget. And we got the keyboard fidget. So I'll just dry them up. Let's wrap them. my bedroom. Alright, I'll be right back. I put them in my fidget bin, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell just in case if I post a video. So I hope you enjoyed this. Bye!